are you doing on your laptop?
Checking my email.
Get out of here.
What?
Get your stuff, get out of that fine Italian leather chair, and get out of this room. All right, now before we get started, who here does not sell S&P?
I don't sell S&P.
Good. You can get out too.
What? Why?
Because we don't work with reps who don't sell S&P. Nice socks. Okay, here's the deal. I'm not going to waste your time, and I hope you're not going to waste mine, so I'll keep it short. Within your first 3 years of starting in Dell BSDT, you will make $1 million. You think I'm joking? I'm not joking. I'm a millionaire. It's a weird thing to hear, right? I'll tell you what, it's a weird thing to say. Anybody that says money's the root of all evil doesn't have any. They say money can't buy happiness. Check out the smile on my face. Ear to ear, baby. You want details? Fine. Look at these Jordans. Whoa! You can't even buy these in the store yet. I drive a Ferrari 355 Cabriolet. Sorry. Wrong keys. I also have a ridiculous house in Smyrna with all the toys you could want. Nerf hoop, free copy of antivirus software, poker chip set from Microsoft, you name it. The best of it all is, I'm liquid. So now you know what's possible. So let me tell you what's required to work in S&P. You must ask all 4 questions on every Q call. You must be available to your system reps every waking second of the day and return quotes immediately. Bathroom breaks? Forget about it. 50 hours minimum at your desk. We want winners. Now you guys need to take some time and think about whether this is for you. All right? If it's not, no big deal. S&P is not for everybody. But if it is, then stand up. Let's get down to the sales rally in the link, and let's go make some money! See, what had happened was, it's not actually going to be in the link. Did I say the link? It's in parking lot. Let's go. All right.